This is going to be a 2023 Crusader. It's the 260 RDD couples fifth wheel floor plan, and it's by Primetime Manufacturing, and a great deal because let me tell you, this is a demo unit. It is priced accordingly, and the perfect opportunity if you are thinking about getting a fifth wheel is going to be this one and only 260 RDD fifth wheel. Often we'll rotate out rental units into our fleet ready to be sold to their full-time owners, but in this particular case, this fifth wheel was only used one time to be a showcase at a music festival, and now it is ready to sell. So a demo unit like brand new with a used price. Talking about this trailer in general, it is a smaller floor plan of the Crusader fifth wheels, comes in at only 8,934 pounds dry weight, but it has triple slides, rear dining, and tons of features that its bigger brothers and sisters have in those. Starting at the very front here, some of the standard options. You're going to have your storage here in the front with your battery compartment. Over on this side, just like you're on a nice big tour bus or this big trailer, you've got this pass-through storage area. Plenty of room for suitcases for outdoor belongings, such as you could slide in a couple of bikes here, fishing rods, extra coolers, camp chairs, maybe even a kayak or two, depending how you like to pack. You're also going to have on the front here, this is going to be storage for your propane tank. Open this up here, you're going to have your 30-pound propane tank storage there. You've got a leash latch there if you're bringing a dog along with you. Walking around, you're also going to have your outdoor powered awning with your, you're going to have your powered awning with your outdoor lights there. This is a triple slide out unit, so you have opposing slides here in the rear to give you kind of that double floor plan in the back, more room for that living area. You've got your ladder, which is easy enough to go up and check seals and maintain the top of the roof. All of these also come with standard factory installed solar panels as well. You've got your hitch there on the back. Sorry for the construction here. We're doing an expansion at Long Haul Trailer Sales to better serve the customers. This is going to be your other side of your opposing slides. You have a master bedroom slide out with your wardrobe. And this side here, you're going to have your other access to your pass-through storage area. You also have your auto leveling system with your memory hookup. You've got your solar controller there, your power cord, and this is going to be all of your things that you need to access kind of for maintenance. And you've got your outdoor shower there, you've got your battery disconnect, a couple of your cable satellites all protected in that pass-through storage area, so they're not going to get dirty at all when you're driving around. Stepping on into the interior of the trailer, you're going to see why this is such a great couple's floor plan. Plenty of room for two people, but still the flexibility to bring extra guests along with you. First things first, let's talk about the kitchen. It is nicer than the kitchen I have at my house, and this is inside a trailer. You've got this deep stainless steel sink here with these drying racks. You've got this high-rise hose style faucet. You've got ample room up here with this microwave. It is nice and large there. You've got your 3-burner stovetop as well as an oven, and a full-length fridge freezer combo all the way down to the floor. With this island style, you also have plenty of storage there behind me and access to plumbing, easy to winterize everything. Storage all throughout here. You're going to have your fireplace, your sound bar there with your hookups there for all of your entertainment, and a recessed TV which will come up there too with a motor. You've got a U-shaped dinette, plenty of more room than a standard dinette with that U-shape. You can wrap people all the way around or just have more shoulder room if just you and another person. This is going to convert to a sleeping area as well, so this table will drop down. These cushions will come over. Now this entire back nook is available for sleeping. You also have these reclining theater style seats. You've got this fold-up compartment here for remotes or maybe phones. You've got your cup holders there, and these seats here which will recline back. They're nice and comfy. Let me see if I can pull this lever here for you. Perfectly fold back with this storage compartment nestled in right beside it. Enough with the main living area. We'll step up to the washroom. Nice and easy to still to reach from the outside door, just a step away. You've got storage compartments up here behind, nice and deep. You've got a shower here. I'm a big fan of the shower for a couple of reasons. First of all, you have this full plastic wraparound shower surround, so not really worrying about any seals going bad or having that waterproof wallpaper that might go bad. This is nice and reliable. Also looks great. They didn't waste their time and just do kind of this plastic wraparound to it. They have all of this nice textured brick, built-in shelves, plenty of light coming in from that skylight. Continuing that matte black look that from the fixtures in the kitchen, you're going to have that black shower there. And one of my favorite features is this little spot there. Perfect for ladies or anyone who needs to shave their legs. You can put your foot up there, shave it. Also mostly used for camping when you are just tired, you need to sit down, you can sit down there and take a rest from your long hard day in the shower. You've also got this, you've got your medicine cabinet storage up above, you've got your sink there with the matte black faucet, as well as a little bit of storage and access to plumbing underneath. Right behind me there, you've got your foot flush toilet, and you're going to have this pocket style door which will slide closed, giving the privacy you need in the washroom. Into the master bedroom here, you're going to have a large bed, access from either side, nice and easy to use. You've got your wardrobe style slide out here to give you ample room. You can bring along everything you want to from your home into your trailer. You've got ducted air coming into the master bedroom from your air conditioner. Tabletops on either side, as well as charging ports. On this side you have your USB-A charging ports, as well as 110 volt receptacles. 110 volt receptacle on that side, and storage both beside and above. So however you are looking for a beautiful fifth wheel, like new condition at that used price, this is going to be your only opportunity to snag one of these while it's around here at Long Haul. We've got one demo unit and it is up for sale, going to be live on our website soon. So if you want to check out everything else this trailer has to offer in person before it sells, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.